21 Great Ideas for a Canopy Bed in a Girl's Room. This brilliant canopy idea from Susan J. Designs uses ceiling hooks to hang ready-made tab curtains. No sewing required. Simply position hooks in a semicircle above the head of the bed, and drape the tabs over the hooks, 2 tabs per hook. Use a set of attractive holdbacks to pull back the fabric, or create your own tiebacks with ribbon. Love the idea of a curtained-off cubby bed? Creating your own is easier than you might think. Get the illusion of a built-in bed by taking a page from Bella Design Studio's book and framing in clean white crown moldings that hide ceiling-mounted curtain hardware genius. Soft and simple, this beautiful, woodland fairy-inspired bed canopy created by Grace Gray Designs suspends sheer white curtain panels from a rich, rustic wreath. The wreath can be suspended from the ceiling from fine, almost invisible wires. Metal curtain hooks in the wreath hold the curtains. This sweet floral girl's room boasts a no-sew bed canopy made using only hot glue and a staple gun. This idea comes to us from the Lily Pad Cottage. Although it looks like a carefully constructed canopy, in reality, the fabric is simply stapled to the ceiling, no nails, screws, or hammers required. Length of fabric draped over a wooden dowel and suspended from ceiling hooks with ribbon or rope makes for a simple yet playful canopy in this bright and minimalist kids' room, designed by Maja of the design blog, Yukanua. An elaborate canopy, from our house now a home, is created using scrap wood and some cheap curtain hardware. This easy project transforms a simple twin bed into a royal dream. Want the four-poster look without the four-figure price tag? Create the bed of your little girl's dreams with this Renaissance-inspired DIY idea spotted on Desire to Inspire. All you need to do is suspend curtain rods over the head and foot of the bed, and drape fabric across the top. Fix the fabric to the corners of the bed using ribbon or fabric ties. Beautiful. Sheer fabric and gold lights create a simple canopy when draped over a charming house frame floor bed in this Nordic-inspired girl's room seen on the popular children's design blog, 0809. Kits for building house frame floor beds are available from various sources. They are also quite buildable for a DIYer with good carpentry skills. This sweet and simple bed canopy couldn't be easier to create. All you need is a large embroidery hoop, 2 or 3 sheer curtain panels, and some decorative edging. This project was created by Cecilia Hayes. This simple canopy idea, spotted on the Instagram page of Belle and Soph, uses a rustic tree branch to extend the length of an inexpensive, wall-mounted L bracket. The branch forms the ridge support for fabric that drapes down tent-style over the bed. A simple swag of fabric draped over 2 wall-mounted hooks adds softness to this sweet and girly bedroom created by Cheryl Huck's interior design. What could be better than a cozy bed canopy complete with its own built-in, late-night reading light? To recreate this gorgeous look created by Ali of Proverbs chapter 31 Girl, you'll need an attractive pendant lamp and a hoop canopy. Fabric-covered cornice box, created by Chelsea of Making Home Base, crowns a simple canopy, giving it a preppy, polished look. Cheap, pretty, and practical, cornice boxes can save you a fortune in costly curtain hardware. What's more, they're incredibly easy to DIY. This clever canopy idea by 22 Interiors uses 2 curtain rods to create a simple fabric drape with a whimsical, sweeping effect that mimics the structure and character of the space. This bright and modern space by Christine Elliott Designs makes a dramatic statement with a bold navy accent wall and a cornice canopy featuring a peek-a-boo pop of classic floral fabric. Although it looks quite ornate, the cornice is really just a plywood boxed edged at the top with crown molding and at the bottom with a smaller edge molding. An elegant, Renaissance-inspired canopy gives royal charm to this rustic girl's room, designed by Russell Taylor Architects. Sheer blue fabric tossed over a string of bright and rustic light bulbs creates a casual, no-fuss canopy in this imaginative space created by Isabel of Elle Decoration. This This simple fabric canopy, found on Young House Love, is elegantly suspended from 3 points using decorative wooden brackets mounted to the wall above the bed. It adds a playful vibe to this bright and airy girl's room. A dramatic crown-inspired corona canopy lends a grand and distinctly feminine touch to this rustic space, designed by Sarah of Sarah Gordon Homes, turning a cottage room into a palace fit for a princess. A similar look is possible using an ordinary metal mop bucket. Luxe, velvet fabric draped from ceiling-mounted hardware transforms a simple floor bed into a statement, making focal point in this bold, bohemian space put together by Regan Baker Designs. To recreate this look, try mounting a standard curtain rod upside down on the ceiling over the bed, and drape your fabric over the top. A rustic canopy, featuring a large branch suspended from the ceiling by eye hooks and chains, takes center stage in this whitewashed, wood-paneled kids' room designed by Suzanne Otter of Frivol. The existing tabs on the richly textured linen curtain panels slide neatly over the branch, creating a look that is as simple as it is beautiful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.